So our final example is example 4. It says the height h in feet of a basketball. Let's see. Of a basketball, t seconds after it's thrown can be modeled for the function h of t is equal to negative 16t squared plus 32t plus 2. So find the maximum height of the basketball. So maximum height, we're looking at the vertex because I said maximum, and x is time, y is height. So really, we're looking at the y value of the vertex. So the first thing we always do, type it into the calculator. Sorry, my computer's dying and it doesn't want to close. Okay, so we type it into our calculator. So this time we've got negative 16 x squared plus 32 x plus 2. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the graph. So look at this. We've got way too much up here. So I'm going to change the window. Again, it doesn't really matter, but you can. It just makes it look nicer, easier to look at. So there we go. Okay, so it wants to know the maximum height of the basketball. So I'm going to go ahead and find the maximum, number 4. So I press second trace, number 4. Left bound, I'm just going to do 0. Right bound, I'm going to do 5. And then when it says guess, enter. And the maximum height is at 1 second, and it's 18 feet off the ground. So the vertex, or the max, or vertex, whatever you want to call it, is at 1 and 18. So we know the basketball's maximum height was 18 feet off the ground. And then the next question says the basketball is caught in its descent when it's 7 feet above the ground. How long was the basketball in the air? So we know that the basketball was caught when it was 7 feet above the ground. So we know the height was 7 feet. So that's where we want to type in 7 for y, because remember, h is just the y. So remember, h and y mean the same thing. Okay, and this is where we're going to do our second trace. Okay, it says it was caught when it's in its descent. So that means when it was going down. So right here, the basketball's still going up, but down here, it's going down. So I'm going to do my second trace. I'm going to choose number 5, which is intersect. And I'm going to put it close to the other intersection point. I'm going to enter 3 times. Okay, and we got at 1.8 seconds with 7 feet. So the basketball was in the air for 1.8 seconds.